Corroded drain pipes can totally wreck your home plumbing if you don't catch them early, so here's the lowdown on how to spot them and swap them out without losing your mind. Alright, first off, keep an eye out for slow drains or weird smells around your sinks and tubs. That's usually a sign your pipes are getting rusty or clogged. If you notice any damp spots or water stains on walls or floors near plumbing, don't ignore that either because corrosion leaks can cause serious damage. When you're ready to replace corroded pipes, make sure you shut off your water supply so you don't flood your place. Grab the right tools like pipe wrenches, plumber's tape, and replacement pipes made of a corrosion-resistant material like PVC or copper. Cut out the old corroded sections carefully using a pipe cutter or hacksaw, then clean the ends to get a good seal with your new pipes. Don't forget to apply plumber's tape on threaded connections to stop leaks. After installing, turn the water back on slowly and check for drips or leaks. Fix any issues by tightening joints or adjusting fittings. If you're not totally sure about doing it yourself, it is super smart to call a pro plumber who can handle everything safely and avoid costly mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with corroded drain pipes is ignoring the early warning signs like slow drainage or odors, which just lets the damage get worse and more expensive to fix. Another common problem is using the wrong replacement materials. You want stuff that won't rust again, like PVC or copper, instead of just swapping in the same old corroded metal pipes. The third issue is poor installation, where people skip prep steps like cleaning pipe ends or sealing joints properly, which leads to leaks down the road. To fix these problems, stay alert for any plumbing changes in your home, invest in good quality corrosion-resistant pipes, and take your time with installation or hire a trusted plumber to do it right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing repairs and pipe replacements. Plus, it helps contractors connect with clients who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done without hassle.